Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see the configuration of the environment of AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Right, I'm logged on to the portal and this is the environment. So we can configure the environment to better suit the application. So for example, if you have a compute intensive application, you can change the type of Amazon EC2 instance that is running the application. To apply the configuration changes, Elastic Beanstalk performs an environment update. Some configuration changes are simple and happen quickly. Some changes require deleting and recreating AWS resources, which can take several minutes. When you change configuration settings, Elastic Beanstalk warns you about the potential application downtime. So let's say you want to make a configuration change. In this video, we'll do that. We will edit the environment capacity settings. And so if you would see the configuration tab here, go here, you see this capacity section. It's currently holding this AMI image, Amazon image. Scaling cooldown is 360 seconds. Environment type is single instance. Instance type is T2 micro, and it is a time-based scaling. So we configure a load balanced automatically scaling environment that is between 2 and 4 Amazon EC2 instances in its auto scaling group. And then you verify the change occurred. Elastic Beanstalk creates an additional Amazon EC2 instance, adding to the single instance that is created initially, which is this. Then Elastic Beanstalk associate both instances with the environment's load balancer, which is not configured as of now, and its availability is increased. So as we are under the, so just to tell you again, we were at the AWS Elastic Beanstalk service, then we went into the app, then we went into the environment, then we went into the configuration, and under configuration, then we are here on the capacity. Click on modify. So in the auto scaling group section, you environment type single instance, you type here to the load balanced. So it would describe the configuration settings. Minimum 1, maximum to 4. You do the changes to here to minimum to 2. Let's leave it as it is. You click on apply here. So it says migrating to the load balance environment would replace all of your current instances. You click on confirm here. Then you go to events. It says updating the configuration tab. Then you go to the dashboard. Then you go to the health. See, it is grayed out. Overall, it's okay, but it's grayed out. So if you click on refresh, auto refresh is 1 second though. It is grayed out here. If you go back to events again, created load balancer, named this, so it created the load balancer. It created the security group again. So when you update the configuration, so it created the security group again because it has to now address 2 instances at the backend, and the application is load balanced. Earlier it was running on the single instance. So it has updated the security rule, the group as well. And when trying to add one, Elastic Beanstalk would configure the second instance automatically and would launch it as well. So let's say if you go to EC2 now, rather than one, you would see 2 instances. Let's say instance still one. It will take time. Okay, so it is still doing it. it has just created the load balancer. So let me just pause the video and come back when it is done. Alright, so it seems that the deployment is done and I see 2 instances now. And if you would see the environment, the dashboard here, it says OK. And you see the configuration. It's 2, right? And if you would see the health here, 2 instances are running fine. One more thing that you will see if you would see under EC2 and you go to the load balancers, and you will see that you have a load balancer as well. This is the one that an application created, and these are the 2 instances. These are the health check, the listeners on port 80, so on and so forth. So this is how you change the configure your app service environment. I hope you like it. And if you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section. I see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good day ahead.